What are the most effective ways to take notes? Hello, today I'm going to tell you the most effective ways to take notes. There are 4 stages to good note taking. First, note taking. Second, note making. Third, note interacting. And fourth, note reflecting. In note taking, first, prepare a page. Second, rule the page into 2 columns. Third, listen and take notes in their own word. Fourth, leave some spaces and lines between main ideas for revising later. Fifth, write in phrases, not complete sentences. Sixth, use bullet point and list where possible. Seventh, use highlighter and color to indicate key ideas. In note making, review and revise the content of their notes. Second, write questions in the left hand side near where the answer is contained on the right hand side. Third, exchange ideas and collaborate with others and check the understanding and test the comprehensiveness of each other's note. In note interacting, the essential questions and answer the questions from the left margin. Second, cover the information on the right hand side and use the question as study prompts before a test. In note reflecting, written feedback should be provided by a peer, tutor or teacher to check for the student's understanding. Second, students should address the feedback by focusing on one area of challenge they are experiencing in their learning. Third, students should also reflect over an entire unit on a regular basis leading up to exam and tests.